Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your second Deco unit to expand your Wi-Fi coverage. First, make sure your primary Deco unit is fully operational and providing internet access. Next, select an optimal spot for your new Deco, aiming for a central location between your main unit and any areas with weak signal. Once positioned, power on the device and observe its LED indicator. It should begin pulsing blue, signaling it is ready for setup. Now, let's use the intuitive Deco application. Launch the TP-Link Deco app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, locate and tap the Add Deco option, usually found in the settings or a plus icon. The app will then guide you to select your specific Deco model from a comprehensive list. Carefully follow the clear, step-by-step instructions displayed on your screen to begin the seamless pairing process. During this stage, the Deco app will actively search for and automatically detect your new Deco unit. Once found, you will receive a prompt to confirm the connection. Simply tap to proceed. Keep an eye on the second Deco's LED light. It should transition to a solid white or green, indicating a successful connection. If the app suggests a weaker signal, consider slightly repositioning the unit for improved performance and coverage. To finalize the setup, the app will ask you to assign a name to your newly added Deco unit, perhaps living room or upstairs hallway, for easy management. Your Deco mesh network will then automatically optimize itself, ensuring seamless Wi-Fi roaming as you move around your home. Take a moment to test your Wi-Fi speeds and signal strength in various rooms. Congratulations, you now have expanded and reliable Wi-Fi coverage across your entire living space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.